Oh, I got my awning here. I was gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. All right. Well, this is what we got. This was the cheaper Amazon one. All right. Let's see what we got here. One of the zippers in the middle. Oh, there you go. I got gray since my vehicle's gray. All right, I finally got it all out of there. I understand. So definitely the stakes, but then a lot of stainless hardware with lock washers. Great. I've already made a short video on these, or shorts in YouTube that shows, or maybe it was Instagram, I don't know, but these things are terrible. Every time I've used these, they've locked up on me. So I don't know if you got to go slow. I'm not looking forward to these because I've broken every single one. They get completely locked on to the bolt itself. I stick it on the vise even and put all my weight into it, and all I do is shear the bolt off. There you go. That's how it goes. Let's go in there. Well, up inside of here I found more brackets. Let me give me another little rip stop tear bag thing. So there you go. All right, now it's getting interesting. All right, I'm up here on the roof. What I decided to do was I ended up using the lock ones. It's really cold outside. It's like less than 30, I think it's like 32 degrees. It's all stainless hardware. I put a little piece of rubber, cut it out. I just had a piece of leftover rubber and put that against here to prevent that from rusting. I don't know, those are probably aluminum rails, but at least they won't mar the paint as bad. And because of the way everything worked out and where I wanted this to be in relationship to the edge of the car and the height, there was really no way to get these on. This bolt wasn't big enough. You can see those line up with the holes in that thing. So I couldn't straddle this like I wanted to, or I'd have to end up notching out on the edges, which I absolutely did not want to do. But what I ended up doing was I just drilled a hole, put a spacer in there. It's a rubber spacer. And that thing isn't going anywhere. I'm moving the whole car. And I'll have another one back here. So I gotta do that one next. Well, I managed to get it on there. This is how they have you kind of doing this one. Pretty neat. I just have a tire hooked to a tire right now because it's very windy out. I will have to address this with the door open. If it was raining, I'm not going to get any protection there. So I got two choices. I can either make a little cover for that. There's a nice piece of Velcro all across there, which I could sort of like try to get it to go forward. Maybe put another piece of Velcro on that, and then something with, I don't know, big old heavy magnets in it or something. I don't want a lot of setup time. Or I simply move that joint forward to the back edge, somewhere right in there. It's totally adjustable though. Like if I can climb up here without hurting myself. You can see it's through the rail there. I just loosen those 4 bolts up, or 8, and just slide it. But overall, pretty happy with it. We'll see. It's supposed to rain tomorrow night. We were going to cook out if it warms up, so